Hello, my name is Ed L. Scott, founder of AdsOnSocial.com. Are you looking to grow your business by increasing sales with new leads, customers, patients, or clients? If so, the solution you've been waiting for has finally arrived. Social advertising and pay-per-click advertising are the fastest, most reliable ways to get new customers to your website, store, events, or office. Here's what we do. We target your best and ideal customers using demographics, behavior, and interests, as well as keywords. Then we present them with ad creatives and landing pages with incredible offers that are designed to convert. Finally, we monitor, track, and optimize your campaigns for growth and success. Our multi-channel marketing approach utilizes email, SMS text, video, launch funnels, sales pages, squeeze pages, and landing pages. We also provide lead capture, lead generation, lead nurturing, and automation systems to tie it all together. Many businesses are using social advertising and PPC or pay-per-click advertising to grow, and so can you, and we can help. Visit us at AdsOnSocial.com and click on the Get Started button today.